AI Assistant GPT Widget is an Android application designed to provide users with quick access to AI-driven assistance through a convenient widget interface. Utilizing the capabilities of advanced language models like GPT, this app aims to enhance productivity and streamline daily tasks by offering intelligent responses and solutions. The application typically allows users to ask questions, seek information, or generate content directly from their home screen, making it accessible at any time without needing to open a separate app. This functionality can include composing messages, summarizing texts, and providing recommendations, all tailored to user preferences. Moreover, the AI Assistant GPT widget usually features customizable settings, enabling users to adjust the widget's appearance and functionality to suit their needs better. Overall, this application serves as a powerful companion for individuals looking to leverage AI technology to improve their efficiency and decision-making in a seamless manner.